I love how easy these pancakes are to make. Start with your eggs, and then if you're into cinnamon like me, get that on in there and mash up your banana. In with your protein powder, your bits of flour, and you want to get it in to a nice consistency. Can you see here? It gets quite runny if you just keep at it because the banana's breaking down, right? And then in an oiled pan, you cook your pancakes. Do them big, do them small, you're the boss. I love whacking the flaked almonds on top. I find it gives it such good texture. Make sure that it's set before you flip it. And while that's all happening, you might want to use my recipe there and make up the chocolate mousse. Extra protein, so delish. Onto a plate and then do what you like with it. You might want to get that chocolate pudding stuff on top. You could even use some of the chia pudding that I've got in this recipe book. Fruit, butter, lemon sugar, whatever it is, you're going to love it. Look at that.
So good.
Yeah.